Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to contact Lyft driver support. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Lyft driver support phone number. Scroll through the search results. Official Lyft websites usually don't display a phone number up front. Click on the help section of Lyft official website. You'll need to start a chat or submit your issue first. After you submit your issue, Lyft may provide you with a phone number to call, depending on your situation. Alternatively, you can call Lyft driver support, which is commonly used for urgent driver issues. Availability may vary. That's it. That's how you can contact Lyft driver support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.